Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Philliana Garcia's property here in Lithia Springs. Pretty recognizable roof, majority of it. So today we're going to be removing a damaged shingle. We're removing it from the right-facing slope. Tried to find one that wasn't near any components, any ridges, rakes, anything like that that would cause a leak. So we're going to be removing this shingle today. So you can see it is damaged by wind. Here is an overview of the shingles before we start. Alrighty, I'm going to be putting a new shingle in. Here's the new shingle. It is not an exact match. I do not know what type of shingle these are, but I'm going to angle you guys the best I can so you guys can follow along during this repair. Just to get you situated on this cushion right here. I think that'll be good. If it doesn't fall. Alrighty, guys. That corner came up. It's a hot one up here today. There's 2 nails right here, guys. That one. Alrighty, guys, should just pop out now. Just like all these sweat glands. Put the new shingle in. Hopefully the camera hasn't moved since we began. I know some Sometimes if it's at a weird angle when I start hammering, it'll move. I'll have to check.